The year 2021 has been a very eventful year. Though COVID has put in a lot of challenges for all of us, but somehow we have really been able to fight. And I'm really glad that we've done some really eventful activities this year. A couple of interesting projects too. The Erasmus Plus Rise project, which is all about social and sustainable entrepreneurship. We are working with European partners and Indian partners to develop a master's level course in social and sustainable entrepreneurship. And we are very keen on developing more collaborations and partnerships. In tune to this, we had an MOU with Gossel Exports to look at co-creation and work with our alumni network to have designs that would be implemented by them. We did participate with the CII National Design Summit as a knowledge partner. And it was very interesting that we could conduct workshops for design aspirants and the new generation of innovators. I've been in conversation over the Be Inspired for the Teamworks, talking about sustainable fashion and looking at the future of fashion, and at the University of Antwerp at the Scientific Committee as well. Yes, our Design Culture Initiative is very unique. The Design Culture Initiative has brought in us a lot of accolades from the school education fraternity. The CBSE director was here with us to discuss about how design thinking can be taken to the school level. 50 plus principals visited the campus to talk about how design is key and it is a differentiator. And we truly want to build a culture of design. The whole year we worked towards the Pink City Design Confluence. We did the Design Culture Learning Series. We did the Dialogue Series. Eminent key practitioners from the media, design fraternity, thinkers, all came together to talk about different aspects of design, whether it's about design leadership, creativity, our society, and the harmonious livability, which is really important for all of us. We truly believe in creative entrepreneurship. We are building an ecosystem for our alumni and our existing students to interact, to co-create, and our students are able to connect with the network and make sure that they really create meaningful enterprises and become responsible designers. The Pink City Design Confluence is going to be a digital event. We're going to have research papers, digital posters. We have contributions which have come from 10 plus countries, and we're very excited and looking forward to it. The Designathon is both for the school level and the college level. The January is a very eventful month, and 31st January we have the fashion show at the Amer Fort with the Jaipur Literature Festival, and it's not over. So 1st and 2nd February, we continue doing the conversations on campus. We're going to have panel discussions. We're going to make sure that we are very inclusive. We're going to get the industry involved. We're going to get artisanal, the artisans, the craftsmen, the design students, the practitioners. They will all come together to co-create. Art is a place for co-creation, collaboration. We are all here to make sure that we empower ourselves and others around us, create an ecosystem where we can co-create and evolve together. Wish you all a very, very happy new year. I really want to thank all our faculty here who really made a contribution in making sure that despite COVID, while the students were in a space where they really needed to work hard with them, and they've really put in the effort to make sure that each one of them is able to come out of that shell. So thank you to all of you for making the year so eventful. And I wish that this new year brings new hopes, new opportunities, happiness for all of us.